Welcome to AutoRevive. Our client, Mr. Wang from Yulin, Shanxi, he brought his Mercedes S350 with 260,000 kilometers straight to our shop. He originally just wanted an interior upgrade, but that wasn't the end of it. A night passed, and he told me he wanted to upgrade it to the latest Maybach spec. Since that's the case, we certainly won't let his late-night inspiration go to waste. Does watching the World Cup really make you want to buy a Maybach? Enough talk, let's get straight to work. The interior is stripped to prepare for engine removal. But once the engine was torn down, the real damage was revealed. Every engine component is ultrasonically cleaned to remove carbon and sludge. The engine block was poorly machined and requires a complete rebuild. The block is heated before new cylinder sleeves are installed. Each cylinder is machined to OEM specifications. A high-temperature coating restores the factory finish. All fasteners are torqued precisely to factory specifications. The rebuilt engine is fully assembled with the transmission. The powertrain is complete, and the chassis is prepared for restoration. Dry ice blasting removes the old sound deadening without damaging the body. The body is cleaned and prepared for paint. Premium automotive paint is applied, followed by multiple clear coats for a factory-quality finish. The finished paintwork looks flawless. New chassis components arrive and reassembly begins. The rebuilt engine is installed with new mounts and drivetrain components. The suspension is installed, completing the chassis assembly. The wiring harness is fully restored. New sound insulation and the Maybach body kit are installed. New forged wheels are fitted, followed by a precision wheel alignment. The restoration is completed with a stunning two-tone finish. Thanks for watching AutoRevive. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next restoration.